This is why you need to prepare for your 2025 income tax return, because being ready makes all the difference. Hello everyone, I'm Mir Tax Advisor. And you know, in life, there are some things you just can't run away from. Like Monday mornings, traffic jams, and yes, tax season. Pay attention. Because starting July 1st, the income tax return for the year 2025 officially begins. This is when most people get stressed, search for papers, and try to do everything at the last minute. But this year, we won't do that. This year we'll prepare in advance, calmly. Because, there's already enough stress in life, why add tax stress? So the question is, do you want your tax return to be error-free? Do you want all your documents to be complete and your case filed in a professional way? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Before we start the video, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more updates related tax and other legal informations. We'll start preparing right now. This isn't rocket science, it just needs a little planning and a little focus. I'll guide you step by step on what to do, how to do it, and which documents to start collecting right now. The purpose of this video isn't to scare you, but to prepare you. Because when you're prepared, you're not afraid of anything. You're confident. So, let's start this journey. Grab your cup of tea or coffee and let's make preparing for the 2025 income tax return easy together. This isn't just about fulfilling a legal requirement. It's also proof of being a responsible citizen. So let's fulfill this responsibility together in the best way possible. So, the first and most important task, which is the foundation of your tax return, is to have a complete record of your income and expenses. You need to keep track of every single penny from July 1st, 2024 to June 30th, 2025. That's the entire financial year. This might sound like a lot of work, but if you do it month by month, it becomes much easier. Where is your salary coming from? If you have a side business, how much did you earn from it? What did you make from freelancing, or any other money you received? Start writing all of this down in one place. Make a simple Excel sheet or keep a diary, whatever is easy for you. The goal is that when it's time to file your return, you have everything written down. And just as it's important to keep track of your income, it's equally important to record your expenses. How much did you spend on household expenses? How much did you pay for your children's fees? How much were your electricity, gas, and water bills? How much did you spend on travel or any big purchases? All these details help you create your wealth statement. This is the story of your money, where it came from, and where it went. When you have this whole story clear, it will be easier for tax officials to understand your financial situation. So, starting today, make it a habit to note down every small and large transaction. This will make things much easier for you in the future. Alright, now let's move on to the second important step, your bank accounts, your property, and your vehicles. For the tax year, which is from July 1st, 2024 to June 30th, 2025, statements from all your bank accounts are very important. Whether you have one bank account or 5, you will need statements for all of them. These statements prove your claims of income and expenses. Nowadays, most banks offer online statements, so start downloading each month's statement now and save them in a folder. This will help you avoid a last-minute rush. It also shows your financial discipline. Similarly, if you bought or sold any property during this period, gather all its documents like sale deeds, transfer letters, and payment receipts in one place. The same goes for buying and selling cars. If you bought a new or used car or sold your old car, keep its papers safe too. All these things are part of your assets, and it's super important to show them correctly in your tax return. Having these documents ready beforehand means you are fully prepared to file your return in an organized and clear way. These little things together create a big and clear picture. Now let's talk about investments. Many of us invest in different places to grow our savings. This could be the stock market, it could be mutual funds, it could be national savings schemes, or even a partnership in a small business with a friend. Wherever you've invested, you should have complete details of it. When and how much you invested and how much profit or loss you made on it, all of this is an important part of your tax return. So start gathering the details of all your investment portfolios right now. The profit earned from these investments, also known as capital gains, is also subject to tax. You'll also need to see how much dividend you received or how much profit you made by selling a property. Put all these details and proofs like broker's reports, dividend vouchers, or profit receipts into one file. If you've incurred any loss, it's also important to show it, because sometimes it can be adjusted against future profits. Keeping a clear picture of your entire investment portfolio is not only necessary for taxes, but it also helps you with your personal financial planning. This helps you know which of your investments are performing better. This is a very important point that people often overlook: withholding tax. This is the tax that is deducted from your income before it even reaches you. For example, the tax deducted from your salary, the tax deducted from your mobile phone balance, the tax applied when you withdraw cash from the bank, or the tax paid when you submit your car's annual token tax. All of these have already been paid by you to the government. You can adjust all these taxes against your final tax liability, which can reduce the tax you owe, or you might even be eligible for a refund. So, you need to collect proof of all these paid withholding taxes. Your company will give you a tax deduction certificate. Mobile companies also issue annual tax certificates that you can get from their website or app. Keep bank transaction records, car token receipts, and receipts for taxes deducted on property buying and selling. It's very important to gather all these small pieces of evidence and keep them in one place. This is your own money that you've already paid, and not claiming it in your return is like giving up your right. So don't be lazy about this and start collecting these proofs right away. Lastly, we'll talk about all those other important documents that might not fit into the categories we've already discussed, but they could still be important for your tax return. For example, if you've paid zakat, keep those receipts. By law, you can subtract the zakat amount from your taxable income. Similarly, if you've donated to an approved charity, you might get a tax credit for that too, but for that, you need the donation receipt and the charity's national tax number. These small things can play a big role in saving you money on taxes. Also, if you've paid tuition fees for your children, those details can be useful because you get tax relief on that too. If you've taken out a loan or lent money to someone, those details will also be part of your wealth statement. Basically, any financial transaction or document that affects your income, expenses, assets, or liabilities, you should keep it safe. The goal is to have proof for every number you put in your tax return. When you have all your documents ready, you'll not only feel confident, but your case will be strong too. So, these were some important steps you can take to start getting ready for your income tax return for 2025 right now. Remember, getting ready isn't just about collecting papers, it's also about having peace of mind. When you file your return on time, you not only show you're a responsible citizen, but you also get the good things that come with being a regular filer. This also keeps you safe from extra taxes, big fines, and tricky legal problems you don't need. It's a small step that can save you from a lot of worries in the future. If you need any help with this whole process, have a question, or feel like it's too complicated for you, feel free to get in touch with me, Mir Tax. Our expert team is always ready to help you. Our online services are available 24 hours a day, not just all over Pakistan, but also for Pakistanis living abroad. Our goal is to make this process as easy as possible for you. Your trust is our biggest identity, and we will always work hard to keep that trust. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helps you get ready for your tax return. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit from it. For more helpful videos like this and new updates, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye. IRA